Unboxing and Basic Features Demo. The mTiny robot and its accessories are in 2 boxes. First, take out mTiny from the box, labeled mTiny. Rotate the knob at the back of mTiny clockwise to power it on. And continue to rotate the knob to adjust volume. Take out the tap pen controller and long press its side button to switch it on. The tap pen controller and mTiny will enter pairing mode automatically. Tilt mTiny at about 45 degrees in any direction and hold for 1 to 2 seconds. Check the battery levels of all devices on mTiny's eyes. An empty battery icon will be displayed when the battery level is low. Plug in the USB cable to charge mTiny. The indicator light will turn solid green when fully charged. Character masks, used together with corresponding character map blocks, can transform mTiny to other 3 animal characters named Chica, Milo, and Toby. These decorative flags offer various options for the flagpole held by mTiny. The Quick Start Guide provides a brief overview of operations for the first use. Open the other box. There are 36 coding cards, including Input Card, Go Card, Action Cards, Repeat Cards, Facial Expression Cards, Loop Cards, and Loop Parentheses. A reversible themed map features 2 scenarios with over 50 creative combinations. A storybook contains 18 coding tasks and a gameplay guide for the town map. Some game cards, including a racing game card, a golf game card, a music card, and a destination card. mTiny supports games for multiplayer. That's all. Thanks for watching.